how to scan a QR code on the iPhone. In this video, I will first show you how to scan a QR code that you might find on a piece of paper, for example, or maybe on a computer screen or just in your favorite restaurant. After that, I'm also going to show you how to scan a QR code that is inside of your iPhone, for example, on a screenshot. Let's dive right in. Scanning QR codes with the iPhone is actually very simple. To scan an external code like this one here, all you need to do is to open up the camera. At the bottom, make sure that photo is selected, and after that, just simply point the camera at the QR code and it will then be scanned automatically because the camera of the iPhone actually comes with a built-in QR code scanner. So let's have a try now. And just like that, we scanned this QR code, and then I just tapped on the link to open up the website that is actually linked with the QR code. And this is how easy it is to scan external QR codes with the iPhone. Now let's have a look at how to scan a QR code that is actually inside of your iPhone. First of all, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code that you can find on a website, for example. After that, I'm also going to show you how to scan a QR code that you might have on a photo or image in your camera roll. I will now open up the Google Chrome browser. You can also use any other browser for that, it doesn't really matter. And then on this website here, we are going to find the QR code. To scan this code on the very same iPhone now, the first thing you want to do is to make a screenshot of this QR code. To make a screenshot on the iPhone, simply tap on the volume up button and at the same time tap on the big button on the right side of your iPhone. So I will do that now. And right here, we now have the screenshot. Depending on the iPhone model that you have, taking a screenshot might be slightly different. So if this didn't work for you, please first figure out how to take a screenshot and then continue watching this video. Now to find the screenshot that we just took, we will go back to the home screen. Then we open up the camera. We then tap on the camera roll button here. And here we have our screenshot with the QR code. Now all you actually need to do to scan this code now is the following. Tap on the share icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Then scroll down. And then tap on search with Lens. Tap on view results. And Google Lens will then actually automatically detect and scan your QR code. Depending on the QR code that you scan, the action that you can take now might be a little bit different. In this case here, the QR code is linked with a website, so to open up the linked website, we can simply tap here on website. And the linked website now has successfully opened up. And this is how you scan a QR code that is inside of the iPhone itself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.